Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at SSV Network. What exactly is SSV Network? So today we're going to be going through a new cryptocurrency, new blockchain that I've discovered, distributed validators infrastructure for developers. We're going to be going through this, having a full introduction. The good news is that we'll also go for a price analysis and price prediction. What's absolutely incredible is that the token has been doing really well, especially within the last month. It's really been doing extraordinary. There are 10 million tokens in circulating supply and 11 million token in total supply. So we're going to have fun with doing a price prediction because I'm pretty sure this token has a lot more potential than what it's showing right now. I'm pretty sure price prediction could be around $50, $100 within the next year. And while that might sound crazy, we're going to go through this token so we can understand what makes it so unique and why do I believe that it could achieve these incredible marks in the near future. We'll also be going through the ecosystem as well. That is vital. Without the ecosystem, every blockchain lacks valuation. It does. So what exactly is SSV Network? Well, it's a fully decentralized open source Ethereum staking network. It's based on Secret Shared Validators SSV technology. Secret Shared Validators. That's what SSV stands for. SSV is also known as DVT or Distributed Validator Technology, as it provides an open and a simple infrastructure for splitting and distributing a validator key into multiple key shares for purposes of running an Ethereum validator across multiple non-trusted nodes. Now, running an Ethereum validator on SSV Network achieves active redundancies, introduce new levels of validator key security, and the benefits Ethereum network, staking pools, staking services, and solo stakers. So what are some of the benefits of this network? One of the benefits is active redundancy and fault tolerance. Another one is non-custodial and secure ETH staking. Another one is decentralization and diversity. These are a few of the areas that are very beneficial. Starting with active redundancy, in order for validators to earn ETH rewards by signing data transaction, it must remain online and available. In current Ethereum staking ecosystem, due to strict protocol rules, a validator must run a one node only, and this represents a single point of failure. By splitting the validator key into multiple key shares and distributing those key shares to multiple nodes, if one node goes offline for routine maintenance or because of a problem, fault tolerance is achieved and other nodes holding the rest of the key shares will respond to keep the validator operating. This results in a slashing-free decentralized staking environment. That's one of the ways it benefits. On the other hand, you might be wondering, how does this all work? So distributed validator technology enables trustless staking through multi-operational validation. Validator keys are distributed between non-trusted nodes which operate under a consensus layer to perform duties on the beacon chain. DVT promotes client diversity, decentralization, and fault tolerance while mitigating slashing and downtime risk, from stakers to SSV network and then to validators. That's a brief overlook. Now, like I said, we will be touching on the ecosystem. Some of these applications are integrated with SSV Network. Some of these applications were built on top of the network, on top of the blockchain. And they're being quite vocal about this. They want more people to build on SSV Network. This is why they are explaining it in a simple way to get more people to start building apps on a secure and scalable distributed validator infrastructure. They want more diversified blockchain development and more advanced resources. This is ultimately good. This will drive value back over to their cryptocurrency. The more value the network and the blockchain has, the more people will buy into the cryptocurrency, hence pushing up the price. The price currently sits at $14.48. However, I believe that it has way more potential. That's a really good question. Does it have way more potential? Is this a $50 token in the next year? Is it a $100 token in the next year? I think that's more than possible, especially with the help of the next bull run. No one knows when that will be, but we can guess that it's on its way. It could be another 6 months to a year to 2 years, but nevertheless, it will happen eventually. These are some of the applications that are built on the SSV Network. Anything from Anchor to Rated Network, Forboil, Hellman, Kiki Finance. These are active grants and teams. It extends further than this. Block Staking, Crypto Manufacturer, Coinbase Ventures. This is an investment arm of Coinbase, investing in early stage crypto and blockchain startups. I'm pretty sure most people know of that, but that's a partner of SSV Network. There's also operators of SSV Network, and these are some of the active grants and teams. Some of them are also grants and operators. As you can see, this is a vast ecosystem, and they're looking to expand it and keep it growing. I like that. I'm supportive of that idea. In other great news as well, it wasn't too long ago that SSV received a huge $10 million investment, and this was huge. They raised $10 million to boost Ethereum's staking infrastructure, and this was earlier this year. Now it says here, SSV DAO to distribute the $10 million in grants for staking projects ahead of Ethereum merge. The reason why they want to invest this much into their network is because they know it has a vast amount of potential. They'll be diversifying this $10 million fund to make sure that this network continues to grow. Automatically, that should at least tell you that naturally if the network grows because of their $10 million investment, the price of their token will grow with the value of the network. Once again, this is not financial advice, but I'm just pointing out the obvious. These are some of the use cases, from staking pools to institutions, DAO, bridges, solo stakers, and staking services. SSV Network is definitely one of the most promising blockchains that I've came across in quite recent months. So it says here, SSV DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization behind decentralized staking infrastructure, SSV Network will distribute the $10 million grant to develop teams working on decentralized Ethereum consensus layer in preparation for the network's long anticipation transition to proof of stake model. Scheduled for August, the company said in a press release. Now this is true because the grant is active at the moment as we speak. There is definitely more information on the grant as well. They go into detailed information such as the SSV DAO that will funnel more than $3 million into open and predefined grants for developers building application and staking pools. Absolutely incredible. More money for developers to build applications. So be sure to check out this article if you're curious about more information. Now in the last year, this is a good look at the price of the token. In the last year, it's been as high as over $21. Quite impressive, getting really close to $22. But since around June, July, the market has been doing terribly, as we know, started in May. But since then, I've got to say it's recovered really well. It's been as low as $4 per coin. In fact, in June, it was $3.84. So for it to have such an incredible recovery, in fact, the price is almost double to where it is. The token was at $16.10 quite recently, a couple of days ago. Well, actually, it's in the last few days, literally. That means from $3.84, the token is literally 4x in price. There's the potential, but it has way more potential, and I'm going to watch it play out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, and I will see you in our next video.